5 Best Soldering Irons Review. The item number 5 is Dremel 2001 Versatip Precision. The new Dremel Versatip is the perfect butane binding light for individuals occupied with imaginative and point-by-point extends that require exactness and flexibility joined with conveyability. The Versatip is a butane fastening iron that patches, warms, softens, cuts, welds, psychologists and makes improving consumes in a wide assortment of materials. The Versatip is the ideal apparatus for enthusiastic clients who require a very precise light to do point-by-point venture work. The Versatip additionally includes a self-start catch with security bolt and a fire bolt on for ceaseless sans-hands activity. The huge tank limit with standard butane gas takes into consideration up to 75-minute run time. The item number 4 is 58-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. The attractive tip on the screwdriver is extremely advantageous when hauling botches out or fixing screws with the opening. Each tweezer is plated resistive VSD covering, which counteracts static harm to electronic parts. Ideal arrangement of instruments is for the little employments. ESD metal tweezers is made of high caliber and sturdy treated steel that impervious to most acids and other destructive operators. Bit holder with non-slip handle is for included solace. The item number 3 is Soldering Iron Kit Electronics, 16-inch-1. Tabager Welding Fastening Iron Pack accompanies customizable binding iron, patch wire, 5 compatible fastening heads, transition, patch wick, desoldering siphon and an extensive assortment of required embellishments. There is no compelling reason to purchase alternate extras. The fastening pack is a great unit for home utilize, specialists, DIY solderers, classes, tenderfoot, fans. There are 5 exchangeable welding tips to coordinate all your fastening needs. The multifunctional tool compartment can hold all the fastening packs and even some additional parts you have. Meanwhile, the instrument case can abstain from getting injured by these sharp apparatus. The item number 2 is Anbes Soldering Iron Kit, Upgraded. Gloating and extremely advantageous on-off change to turn on, off at whenever, it can dodge extend periods of time of work, enhancing the working life, sparing vitality and guaranteeing safe welding. The fastening iron stand can adequately shield the iron from being pressed at high temperature or the iron tips dropping on the ground, guarantee welding well-being. Internal warmed artistic innovation enormously enhances working productivity and steel pipe configuration has preferred warmth dissemination over others. The item number 1 is Anbes Soldering Iron Kit 60 watts. Anbes multimeter is intended to check DC and AC voltage. Convenient for car or family electrical issues. Utilizing the multimeter, you can test voltage of batteries and current of 1.5V and a 9V battery. Highlight with the capacity of opposition recognizing, makes it simple to quantify obstruction. In faintly light regions, the lit readout enhances lucidness. Push on the hold catch, solidify the readings appeared on the screen. Helpful to record the information. Worked in kickstand guarantees multimeter stands up which makes it a lot simpler to utilize and see. Elastic lodging keeps from being crash.